Hey guys, it's Kurt from Wersi Club USA. A couple days ago, we showed you a little trick on using MIDI notes on the keyboard to change pages in Mobilesheets. Let's take another look at doing something different. So over here, that's a table of contents or index, whatever you want to call it, in Mobilesheets, okay? And here's my Sonic. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this voice, this accordion voice, and replace it. So let's click Sounds. I'm going to go to User Sounds, and I'm going to use MIDI channel 15 just because it's probably not used that much. I'm going to load that. Okay, so now we're going to double click on this, and now you can see that it's set on MIDI channel 15. Okay, let me click Edit. Now I'm going to add a program change, and just for this example, we'll use program change number 1. Okay, so that means this voice, which in this case is called MIDI out 1 channel 15, you can change it or save it with a different name. I'm going to send out a program change number 1 on MIDI channel 15. All right, so now let's go over here. Let's pick a song. Let's pick this one right here. If I click right here, and now if I click this little pencil, I can get to all the different settings of this song. Let's click MIDI. Let's click plus sign. So we're going to add a new MIDI command, and there's a bunch of choices here. Okay, so we're going to pick program change, and we'll say any port. Notice if you pick here, you have, in my case, it's a Scarlett. That's my audio interface, but you might want to look at that depending on what your setup is. But anyway, I'm going to say set it on any, listen on any port. Let me go here and change this to program change 1, okay? Now remember that matches over here. 1 here matches the 1 there. Except we're going to turn this off and we're going to turn this one on. This one says load this song if you receive program change 1, all right? So let me click OK. And let me click OK. And let me get back to the table of contents. All right, so now we're in this table of contents, and now over on our organ, and what you want to watch over here is these gray and white bars should disappear because I want you to be able to see I'm actually sending the command. So let's click here, and notice our song loaded. Okay, so that means if you were to go and save this, if I click up here, if I uncheck Edit, it'll give me an option to change the sound, and I can say yes. And I could give it a name like Mountain or whatever I wanted to call it. And I could save one of those for all the different songs I have in Mobilesheet so that anytime I load that sound, it will send the command to load that song. And all you have to do is match the program change that the organ sends to the program change you want that song to be. Give it a try. Let me know if it works. Thanks for watching.